So in this video, I'm going to show you how to load Blueprint in Blender. If you don't know what I mean, uh, Blueprint is basically a drawing that's kind of done with some measurement, and it has drawing from different angles, and then you can load it in Blender, and now you can create 3D models based on that blueprint. Basically the drawing. You keep that drawing in the background, and then um, you add the object in front of that background image, so that it makes it easier for you to make the model, uh, instead of just randomly making without any reference. So for that, first of all, um, depending on your model and a type of object, it could be like from one side or two sides or three or even four sides. So let's take an example of a house. Okay, so if you press number 1 on number pad, this shows the front view, which you can see here. The Y is in front, and X is like towards left and right. This is the front view. So now to load the blueprint, we go to add and then choose image and choose reference. Now I have this front view of the house. So this is the front view of the house. And now you can just grab by pressing G and then press Z or Z, so that it just moves only up and down, not right and left. Um, this would be okay for me. If you look from this angle, it looks like this. Okay, so now if you press number 3, this is the side view. Now you can go to add again and go to image and reference the side view, choose the file, and this is the side view. Again, you can just grab and then Z-axis and then just adjust the position. Okay, so if you see from the front view, it looks like this. If you see from the side view, it looks like this. Now we also have this top view left. For that, press number 7 on number pad. If you don't have number pad on your keyboard, you just click this Z. Okay, go to the Z-axis view. Okay, so after that, go to add image and reference again, and the top view is here. Right now I think it is rotated the other way, so I can press R for rotation and then press 90 and press enter. So this is the top view of the roof of the house. Okay, now if I go to front view, this is like this, side view, and then top view. Okay, so that's how we load the blueprint. If you wonder how it works, it just you keep this blueprint as reference or measurement, the exact angle or exact measurement, whatever you say. Okay, for example, I put this in the background, and now if I add mesh, I can go to add mesh and cube. Okay, I have added the cube, but it's way down here, so I can grab this and then Y for Y-axis, and if I do this, okay. Oh, sorry. So did I just added plane? I guess I added plane instead of cube. Add mesh, and cube. Yeah, now it's cube. Grab and Z axis, and then here we go. Okay, you can always increase the size by pressing S, and then you can increase the size here. And again, grab and Z axis. You can go like this. And you can also go to edit mode, and then you can choose face instead of this edge or vertices. You can go to face and then select the face. You can now press S. Sorry, it's not S. Grab, and then with Z axis, you just make it go down. Okay. Okay, go to object mode and front view. Okay, this is the view we get. It still has this side thing here. You just need to grab and press S for resize, and then X for X axis. You just resize it. Okay, and you're done. So this way you can make use of this blueprint to make a 3D model. If you get rid of this thing here, you can see that it's there. Okay, so yeah, this is that's how you load blueprint to make a new 3D model in Blender. Hope you like this video. If you like the video, don't forget to hit like and leave a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel.